My name's David Welch. I am coming to you today from Brothers Tech Center so that I can show you how to put the rubber on your door correctly. It is almost always wrong. This is a 47 to 53 truck. Other ones will be similar, maybe a little bit different. First thing I want you to notice is how they put this one on wrong. Now at first glance it looks like it's okay, but what I want you to notice is this big fat ridge right here. That's this ridge. So this is actually on upside down. Sometimes you'll see them like this, sometimes you'll see them like this, but what you want to do is have it so it's like this. The little guy's on the bottom, the big guy's on the top, and it's pointed towards you. This will give you a nice light edge right here to give you a good seal on the door. So when you get your rubber, you're going to go ahead and put it on, and then you're going to bring it on down the side. You'll glue it up and tape it on. Let me show you how the bottom's held on. Now this guy right here is generally rusted away and you almost never see him. And at first glance, it might seem like this bolts on like that, but that doesn't. It bolts on like this. And what's going to happen is if you put your rubber on correctly, and you have this going like this, when you get down to the corner right here, you'll just take a 90 degree and it'll fit right into the little slot right there. And then this will just screw right into the door down here. And then you can see how that pops out and makes you a proper seal. And when you put your door rubber on, when you meet your joints together, you want to have that down here on the bottom so it's sealed really good. If you went ahead and you had a seam right here, then it's just going to fall off sooner or later. Now I've got a couple of more rubber pieces. Let me show you what those are. Now this is another common piece that rusts out and is missing. A lot of times people just don't bother to put them in. What I want you to notice about this is that it's kind of like a C channel. You're going to flip it upside down. You got this notch right here, and that notch is going to fit behind the door pillar here, and it's just going to screw down too. This is the rubber piece that goes on it, and it'll just tuck right up underneath there, and then you'll screw it down. You'll know you have it on correctly if these lines right here, these serrations are pointed out, and it's going to be up a little bit so that when you shut the door, it'll fold down the rest of the way and make that proper seal. The last piece you got right here is this windlace right here. And this just fits into a channel, takes a lot of time to get it up in that guy, and it's just going up and all the way around. And really no way to put this guy on wrong. So as long as you take my helpful handy hints and you get these other few things right, you're going to be A-OK. You make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I'm here every week getting dirty, bolting these things on, answering your questions, and getting your truck back on the road. We'll see y'all there, man.